Hello, friends. What do you think the word camouflage means? It means blending in with the environment. It is a way animals protect themselves from predators. In the book, which animals do you think are the best hiders? Let's find out. We are going to read a book called Critter, Hide, and Seek by Pam Schiller, photographs by Rochelle Bartkowiak. Critter, Hide, and Seek. Animals are very smart when it comes to hiding. Some hide from predators. Others hide so that they can become predators. That is how animals survive. I am determined to find some of these hidden critters. Maybe you can help. Let's see how skilled we are at finding the critters hidden or disguised in the photos of this book. Some animals are hiders, and others are skilled at disguise. On these pages, there are some hiders. Can you find them? Hiders like the bird, the stick, the snake, and the spider can blend right in with their environment. Some animals can also change to match their environment. This lizard is green when it sits on the leaves of the plant and brown when it sits on the branches. Zebras use camouflage to trick their predators. Their stripes help them stay alive. If you look across the grasslands at noon, you can easily see a herd of zebras. At dusk, the zebra's stripes blend in with the darkness, making it difficult for evening hunters, like lions, to see them. When zebras gather together, it is difficult to pick one of them out of the group. This is another factor that saves them from predators. How many zebras do you see? Seals blend in with their environment too. How many seals do you see? Lizards come in many different colors. These lizards are brown and look just like branches in the bush in which they are hiding. How many lizards, or parts of lizards, do you see? Iguanas hide from predators by blending in with the colors in their surroundings, branches, grass, or shadows. Crocodiles and alligators can both hide and disguise themselves. Do you see the photograph where crocodiles are piled together so predators can't easily pick one from the group? Can you find the crocodile that is disguised as a rock? Look for the alligators disguised as logs lying in the water or in the grass. Deer have coats that help them fit in with their surroundings. It is difficult to see the deer standing in the grass. His coloring matches the trees and the shrubs. Deer have antlers that look just like the limbs on a tree. How many antlers do you see? Do you see the animals hiding in these photos? The porcupine looks like a plant or bush. It's hard to believe there's an animal hiding there. This furry caterpillar fits right into its surroundings. It looks like a fungus growing on the tree. Grasshoppers come in a variety of colors. This brown grasshopper blends in with the dirt and decaying leaves. The animal world is a wild place. Animals must be clever to survive. Camouflage protects both predator and prey. Here are some more hiders for you to find. The next time you're walking in the woods, pay close attention. There's a good chance you'll find animals playing hide and seek. Now I want you to create a science journal. First, write the word bug in your journal. Draw a picture of your favorite camouflaged critter from the book. Be sure to tell a family member about how it camouflages itself. Tell them why it camouflages itself. How can you blend in with the environment or camouflage yourself? Take a picture or a video and send it to me through Class Dojo.